Today, let's understand what is bean in Java. So, beans are of two types, Java beans and Spring Beans. Java beans are nothing but just a plain old Java object classes which follows some specific rules. Means Java beans classes should have private fields, no argument constructor, and getters and setters. These Java beans are used for data transfer, means for DTOs, which you will understand while learning REST APIs in Spring Boot, and it is mainly used for the encapsulation purpose. So now what is Spring Bean? Spring Beans are objects which is managed, maintained, and controlled by Spring IOC container. In Java applications, what we do that whenever we need objects, we create like this: student is equals to new student. When our project is small, then it is fair enough. But what if our project is large? Then it is not feasible to manage and control so many objects in our project. So what Spring does is that Spring scans each classes and find classes which is annotated with this annotations, and then creates objects which is a beans of that classes and stores them in the Spring IOC container, which is actually in the application context. IOC container is just a term. The the main thing which do, does this is the application context. So whenever we required objects or beans in our project, Spring IOC container will give it to us. In the background, what happens is that when we require objects, suppose we are sending API request to this endpoint. So Spring gives us bean and then call this particular controller method. So ultimately, Spring Bean are nothing but just a object we need because we don't want to create o- objects unnecessarily in our project. So Spring does things in behalf of us. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.